Hi, I'm Marna, and you never ever know what you're going to find in which thrift store, and you can go back the next day and find totally different stuff. We went to Kansas to the Savers, and I was surprised to find trolls. I found these first. There's two Wishnicks in here, or Jewel Belly, and they were $2.99, and I thought, yeah, I'll go $1.50 for a 4-inch Wishnick, and they don't stink, and they're cute, and it's two colors I really like. This one is a Russ, and this one is a treasure troll, or jewel belly. That's a jewel belly. And then I found this bag full, and it looks like there's some good stuff in here for $4, but I thought I counted at least 5, if not 6. So let's see what we got. Oh, I'll have to look at this a little closer because this might be a dam. No, it's a Russ. That's a Russ. And then we've got some jewel belly. Now this one's gonna need a little hair care, and I'm all right with that. I love pink. And I love purple, and I don't even care that his hair is a mess. And here's a big Russ, and he's going to need a hair replacement. And another jewel belly. These are Ace. I'm pretty sure, can't see it, it's just too dark today, but you can see the jewel, and I like these out on St. Patrick's Day. And oh my goodness, someone really enjoyed cutting hair. But you can see the jewel is still there. And then, what do we have here? It's like half a fish. I don't think I'll be needing these, but I'm happy to get 6 trolls for $4. I just thought it was fun. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.